Hello, my dear 7th standard boys. I am your social science sir Arul Raj Abraham. In the last class, we learn about resource. Today we shall know about the lesson back questions to the social science second term textbook. Open the geography, students. Open the geography unit 1 topic resource. Turn your book back questions, lesson back questions. Students, take your book back questions. First, choose the correct answer. Which one of the following is renewable resource? A. Gold, B. Iron, C. Petrol, D. Solar energy. Answer: solar energy. Second question: where is the largest solar power project situated in India? A. Kamudi, B. Aralvaimoli, C. Muppandal, D. Neyveli. Answer: A. Kamudi. Third question: which is one of the first metals known and used by man? A. Iron, B. Copper, C. Gold, D. Silver. Answer: B. Copper. Fourth question: dash is one of the indispensable minerals used in electrical and electronics industry? A. Limestone, B. Mica, C. Manganese, D. Silver. Answer: B. Mica. Fifth question: electricity produced from gold is called dash. A. Thermal power, B. Nuclear power, C. Solar power, D. Hydel power. Answer: A. Thermal power. Second, Roman letter second, fill in the blanks. First question: dash is the large producer of hydroelectrical electricity? Answer: China. Second, iron ore is found at dash in Tamil Nadu? Kanchamalai. Answer. Third question: dash is produced from bauxite ore? Answer: aluminium. Fourth question: dash is used in making electrical batteries? Answer: manganese. Fifth question: petroleum and its derivatives are called dash. Black gold. Answer black gold. Match the following. First, renewable resource. Answer wind energy. Second, metallic resource. Answer iron. Third, non-metallic resource. Answer mica. Fourth, fossil fuel. Answer petroleum. Fifth, limestone. Sedimentary rock. Fourth, consider the following statement and tick the appropriate answer. First one, ascension. A. Wind power is clean energy. Reason R. Wind tribunals depends do not produce any emissions. A. A and R are correct and R explain A. B. A and R are correct but R does not explain A. C. A is correct but R is correct. D. Both A and R are incorrect. Answer A. A and R are correct and R explains A. Second, assumption A. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposit. Reason R. It can be used as domestic and industrial fuel. A. A and R are correct and R explain A. B. A and R are correct but R does not explain A. C. A is incorrect but R is correct. D. Both A and R are incorrect. Answer B. A and R are correct but R does not explain A. Fifth, Roman letter fifth, answer the following. Give reason. 1. Aluminium has wide range of uses compared to other metals. 2. Water is considered as great resource of energy. 8th question. 8th, answer the paragraph. Define resource. Anything which can be used for satisfying the human needs is called resource. Resource என்றால் என்ன? Anything which can be used for satisfying the human needs is called resource. Next, second, what are the uses of iron? இரும்பின் பயன்கள் யாவை? Construction of machinery and machine tools. Next, automobiles. Next, structural component of buildings, bridge, etc. Next, construction of large ships. Next question, what are the major utilizers of solar energy in the world? India, China, Japan, Italy, United States of America. Fourth, name the type of gold based on carbon content. Anthracite, bituminous, lignite. Next question, give a short note on duralumin. Duralumin. By the addition of small quantities of other metals to aluminum, it creates superior alloy than pure aluminum. Example, duralumin. Sixth, distinguish the following. Biotic resource and abiotic resource. Biotic resource, it is abstain from living and organ material. Example, gold, petroleum. Abiotic resource, it is abstain from non-living and non-organic materials. Example, land, water, sunlight. Second question, renewable resource and non-renewable resource. Renewable resource, it can be used repeatedly and replaced naturally. Example, solar energy, hydropower, wind energy. Non-renewable resource, once used cannot be replaced again. Example, petroleum, natural gas. Next question, metallic resource and non-metallic resource. Metallic resource, it is composed of metals. Non-metallic resource, it does not comprise of metals. Second, these are hard. Metallic resource, these are hard substance and good conductors of heat and electricity. Example, iron, copper, gold, silver. Manganese. Non-metallic resource, these are not hard substance and are not good conductors of heat and electricity. Example mica, gypsum, dolomite. Dolomite. Seventh, give reasons. Aluminium has wide range of uses compared to the other metals. Aluminium is light in weight, thought and cheaper. It is a good conductor of electricity and heat. It is highly resistant to corrosion. Second question, water is considered as a great source of energy. Water is used for producing hydroelectric power. Next point, it is the cheapest and most versatile resource of energy. It is the renewable resource. Roman letter 8th, answer a paragraph. Explain the different types of renewable resource. It can be used repeatedly and replaced naturally. Solar energy, hydropower, wind energy. Solar energy. Sun produces energy in the form of heat and light. It is not harmful to the environment. Photovoltaic devices or solar cells directly convert solar energy into electricity. Next, India, China, Japan, Italy and States of America are major utilizers of solar energy in the world. Example, Kamudi, largest solar power. Next, hydropower. Water is used for producing hydroelectric power. It is the cheapest and most versatile source of energy. China, Canada, Brazil, USA, Russia, India, Norway and Japan are producing hydroelectricity. Example, China is the large producer of hydroelectricity. Wind energy. It is clean energy, does not produce any emissions. Next point, most economical. Next point, major wind farm is India. Next point, example, Muppandal, Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Next point, major wind producing countries are USA, China, Germany, Spain, India, UK, Canada and Brazil. Next question, describe the non-metallic resource. Non-metallic resource, mica, limestone, gypsum, dolomite, mica. It is the one of the indispensable minerals used to electrical and electronics industry. China is the world top producer of mica. 95% of India's mica is found in Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Jharkhand. Limestone 10% sedimentary rocks and limestones. Portland cement is made from limestone. China produces more than half of limestone production in the world. Third question: what are the different types of fossil fuel resources? Example them. Fossil fuel resources are normally formed from the remains of dead plants and animals. Fossil fuel resources are 1. Coal, petroleum, natural gas. Coal. Electricity produced from coal is called thermal power. Next point, coal is classified into 4 types based on carbon content. 1. Anthracite. 2. Bituminous. 3. Lignite. 4. Peat. Petroleum. It is found between the layer of rock and is drilled from oil fields located in offshore and hostile area. Petroleum and its derivatives are called black gold as they are very valuable. The leading producers in India are Digboi in Assam, Bombay, Hai in Mumbai. And the deltas of Krishna and Godavari rivers. Next point, the cheap petroleum producing countries are Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, and Qatar. Natural gas. It is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. Next point, 50% of the global natural gas reserves are found in United States of America, Russia, Iran, and Qatar. இன்றைய பாடம் அவ்வளோதான் மாணவர்களே. இது முழுதும் நீங்கள் வாசித்து படிச்சுட்டு வாங்க. இனி வரக்கூடிய நேரத்தில் 1 to 3 வரைக்கும் நீங்கள் வந்து அதை மனப்பாடமாக படிச்சுட்டு வாங்க. அதிலேருந்து ஒரு சில கேள்விகளை கேட்பேன். இத்துடன் இன்றைய பாடம் முடிஞ்சது.